We Africans, we want where they will say, come, you will get thousands of subscribers in 2 days. In one day, in 24 hours, you get 5,000 subscribers. That is why we are angry. That is why we are just overboard. That is why we are not growing. That is why we are getting 2 views, 3 views, 4 views, 5 views, because we are just targeting. We want to watch hour. We want thousands of hours, thousands of views. Welcome back to Auguilicious. I am so pissed off. I just saw a video of someone commenting that he wants to quit his YouTube. I mean, if it's just having one subscriber or 50 subscriber for over 3 4 months, I'll be like, okay, I understand. But this person has 3,000 plus subscribers. I mean, if you're not being appreciative of the subscribers you have, I've even made videos where I had just 125 subscribers from 50 subscribers in 4 weeks, and I was really proud of my subscribers and our achievement. And we are getting to 500 till now. I've not even clocked my 1,000, and I'm appreciative of all my subscribers. And someone with over 3,000 subscribers is angry because you're not having the probably the watch time. You know, when you really know what you're on this space for, then you wouldn't be worried about watch time, 4,000 watch hour, having thousands of views. You have to appreciate your subscribers. Those people that are subscribing, you have to give them what will make them come back. But you lamenting, like, I just had to make this video. Why quitting? Why do you want to quit? Please share this video to whoever or any YouTuber that wants to quit. Let them know that there are people like myself that have not even reached that threshold, and I'm appreciating every of my subscribers. I don't have to reach the thousands of subscribers before I appreciate my subscribers. I appreciate every person that has come to this platform, and I come out from time to time to celebrate all my subscribers. And I even make videos dedicating it to my subscribers, because for someone subscribing to your channel, you should appreciate them. I don't even have up to 1,000, and I'm appreciating all my subscribers. Someone has over 3,000, you're lamenting because you don't have views or because your views dropped. So what about advice? Just re-strategize. Don't just lament or complain or expect your video to go viral over and over again because it went viral once, you went viral twice, it has been going viral and it did not go viral again. Or probably you had 1,000 plus views, and now you're getting less than 1,000 view, and you're commenting and you're complaining. I mean, you should learn how to appreciate your subscribers, because whether the watch time is there, the watch time is not there, you're out speaking to some people that are paying attention to your video. They subscribe, guy. They subscribed. I mean, people are looking for who will even subscribe to them. I saw someone being happy, having his first subscriber. He was so happy. He has not even gotten up to 50 subscribers. He was excited. I mean, you have to be excited for your subscribers, because I think that's the game. That's the in thing. You have to be really, really be subscribed. Be happy. Be happy for your subscribers. I'm not even sure I'll be editing this video because I'm just too I'm overboard with what I just saw. I mean, please share this video to someone that is about to quit. Let them know that there are people that have not even gotten to where they are, and they are happy and they are still pushing. I push out videos, I get how many subscribers? Half, or I'm not getting, but I'm happy that someone is subscribing. I'm happy I'm getting that one subscriber, two subscriber, because if you check some YouTuber, they will say, don't look at your success now, look at your success in 1 year's time, in 2 years' time, in 3 years' time, in 4 years' time. But most of all, especially we Africans, ah, we Africans, our own is too much. We want where they will say, come, you will get thousands of subscribers in 2 days. In one day, in 24 hours, you get 5,000 subscribers. That is why we are angry. That is why we are just overboard. That is why we are not growing. That is why we are getting 2 views, 3 views, 4 views, 5 views, because we are just targeting. We want to watch hour. We want thousands of hours, thousands of views at once. We Africans, we need to change our perspective. Know that we want to be successful, but the way we are going about it is too much. How can you be lamenting? You have over 1,000 subscribers. What you should do is re-strategize. What are you not doing well? What's the issue? What am I doing wrong? Is it the way you're uploading? I'll be making a video in regards to having the right upload, optimizing your upload. I'll be making a video and I'll be bringing it to this platform. Optimizing your upload. If just check, do the description, whatever it is, do it, but don't quit. Don't quit. If not for anything, don't quit because of those people that have tuned into your channel. There are even people selling their channels, except you want to sell it, then okay. Probably you can quit, maybe you can get some pennies for that. But if you're looking at it in the long run, I mean in the long run, and you want to quit. Hmm, I'm just getting started. I have not started, but I'm not quitting. I may not have the thousands of subscribers or the watch hour or be monetized, but I appreciate everyone that's tuned into Auguilicious. I appreciate every one of you guys. So share this video to someone that is about to quit. Let them know that there are people that have not gotten to where they are and they are still pushing. So the money should not be the goal. Definitely, we all want to monetize. We all want to make this money, but it shouldn't be the goal. The goal should be those people that are tuning into you. Are you giving them what they want? Because I've watched videos, I've subscribed to some YouTubers, I've subscribed to some people, but if they're not giving me what I want, do you think I'll still be there? No. Most times we are looking at algorithm and all that. But if you check yourself, if you keep having videos come up because you subscribe to them, what will you do? You will remove the notification bell. You will not want such. But when you have something you're giving to your audience, they will come back. They will come back. So don't quit. Don't quit. Share this video to someone that is about to quit. Tell them not to quit because they have people they are responding to, people that are talking. Well, what about when YouTube wasn't monetizing people? People make videos, they were not monetized, they were going. So it shouldn't be about the monetization, it should not be about the views. Guy. Oh, man. If you love Auguilicious, let me know in the comment section. If you agree to my video, to what I'm saying, let me know in the comment section. I really need to know why someone would quit. I mean, people have 100 subscribers, they're happy. 200, they're happy. Less than 1,000, they're happy. And because I'm sure the only reason why you want to quit because you've listened to so many wrong information. People that say they monetize in 2 days, having gotten to their 1,000 subscribers in less than 24 hours, and they monetize in less than 1 week. When you listen to such videos, you get angry that you're not getting views, you're not reaching where you want to reach in 1 week, in 2 weeks. No, it shouldn't be like that. It should be better. You should be thinking better than that. You should come out, talk to us that are coming up, do your best, optimize. I've made video on optimization using the VDIQ. You can check and go and make your optimization with that video. Check my videos and share anyone that would minister to someone, share anyone that will help someone become a better YouTuber. We should do better than this, better than what we are doing. I know I wasn't this bad when I started. I wasn't talking like this. I was getting started, but I was encouraged because I came out here to motivate someone that think that they can't do nothing. I came out here to motivate someone that think that they can't show what they are. See you guys in my next video. Bye for now. Watch my other videos. Bye.